This wallet's not yours just yet, but that's about to change. I'll guide you through how to pull the trigger on a clean rug and secure some real money by the end. Before we dive in, just a heads up, skip Pump.Fun. It's basically the Wild West over there. Tokens flying around left and right, most of them going nowhere. You don't want to blend into that mess. You want to make noise that actually pays. Here's how to do it right. Go on Photon, select Pump.Fun as the DEX, and you'll see what I mean. Coins are being created every few seconds. Random tokens like retail or prostate show up all the time, but none of them have staying power. It's way too packed since literally anyone can throw something up. With Radium selected now, notice how clean it is. Barely any new coins are dropping. Only 6 tokens launched over a span of 5 minutes, but the ones that did, insane demand. Market caps are wild compared to Pump.Fun. Why? Because Radium isn't for amateurs. It takes real dev skills to launch. That keeps the garbage out. And that's why we're building here. Let's dive into the process. I came across something wild recently, launchtool.io. Not gonna lie, this might be the easiest way to drop a token on Radium. You don't need to write a single line of code. It's so simple, anyone could use it. A couple clicks, and boom, your coin's out there. Found a nice picture on Google that I'm using for the logo. Yeah, I am going with trending meme again. Head over to Canva, create a custom-sized design with 128 by 128 pixels, make your quick adjustments like I'm doing now. Download the picture that we're going to use in a second. Done. Couldn't be easier. Step 1. Go to Launch Tool. Fill in your coin's info real quick. I'm calling mine Ballerina Cappuccina and the symbols CPC like cappuccina. For the description, you write something light and fun, but this time I will skip it. Upload the logo you just made, then tap Next. The tokenomics section is next, and honestly, the defaults are perfect. We'll actually use that full 1 billion supply later. Click Next again. Now you'll see the creator info settings, but heads up, it costs 0.1 Sol if you don't change this. Personally, not worth it. I always just turn it off and move on. Now there's a place to link your socials. I'll skip that too. Alright, this next part has switches you don't want to mess with. Why? Because toggling stuff like revoke freeze, revoke mint, or revoke update can scare off buyers. They'll think it's shady and avoid your coin. Just leave those switches alone and hit Launch My Token. Once you confirm the transaction on your wallet, you can check all the necessary details about your token here. Let's make sure the coin is actually live. I'm going to search it up on SolScan real fast. It's officially on the blockchain. But hold up, we're not quite there yet. To make it tradable, there's one more step. Head back over to Launch Tool and tap Create Liquidity Pool. That's going to take you to Radium automatically. First thing, connect your wallet. Now select your meme coin as the base token. Click the token field, hop back to Launch Tool, copy your token's address, and paste it where it asks. After that, fill out your coin details. For mine, I'll drop CPC as the symbol and Ballerina Cappuccina as the name. Then just click Add User Token and reselect your token once it appears. Add 900 million tokens into the pool. That's the usual play. Use Solana as the quote token. You're basically acting as your first buyer here, so hit max and you'll be fine. Just take off 0.2 SOL to account for fees. So I'm entering 1.1 SOL. Make sure the fee tier is set to 2%. Once everything looks good, press Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm the transaction, and you are good to go. We got our confirmation message. Now you can head over to Photon, and you'll see your coin listed. All right, with that done, let's pull up the chart and see what's up. Head over to dexscreener.com and just click on any random token, doesn't matter which. Then switch back to Launch Tool, copy your token's address, and paste it over the current one on Dex Screener. Hit enter. And boom, your token's chart is now live. Scroll down and you might already see some activity, but ignore it for now. It's just bots messing around. Real buyers are coming. Let's give it a few minutes. And there it is. Our first legit buy just came in. We waited 10 minutes for this one, but hey, let's hang on a bit longer, see what else comes through. Right now, we've got $654 in liquidity and a $643 market cap. Numbers are constantly changing, but we are on the right track. Only 3 minutes passed by, and we already got our second order. $103 buy, that's 0.62 sol. This is wild, and we've done zero marketing. You can literally do this on repeat, again and again. The truth is, this method still works. Third order just came in. It's $70, 0.42 sol. That's crazy. Look at our stats now. Liquidity and market cap have jumped, and all this within less than 20 minutes of launch. All right, I'm cashing out. Head to Radium, connect your wallet, scroll down and click the minus icon under liquidity. Slide it all the way to 100%. Focus only on the SOL number. That's what you're collecting. Tap remove liquidity, approve the transaction, and you're done. The confirmation will pop up, and that means we secured our profits. This is my favorite part. Check your Phantom wallet. Easy money. I put in $280 and pulled out $426. That's almost $150 profit in less than 20 minutes. Not bad at all. Just so you know, I'm not sponsored by Launchtool, Photon, or Radium. This is just for learning purposes. The method's working like crazy now, but nothing lasts forever. Get in while it's still hot.